a tree standing in the woods. Taking that tree that's grown from the earth and you're turning it into something that is amazingly beautiful. I'm drawn to that part of it. Taking the tree, making something that you never thought a tree could be made out of. If you saw the tree, it's a functional piece of furniture that's beautiful in your home. Sometimes I find myself building furniture and it's like, who is this going to? Who is going to receive this piece of furniture? Whoever it is going to see your name and they're probably going to wonder to themselves, who is this Robert Fisher guy? Woodworking is like nothing else. There's many different ways that you can go about handling wood and working with wood and cutting it on the saw. Having a problem and finding a solution, I just love doing that. I really enjoy the intensity of working through something, working on that skill and honing that skill. I remember clunky days. And then you have days where everything just flows. The idea of being here for 34 years and know all there is to know, that's just a misnomer. Today we rolled that Dr. White up the ramp, an amazement of putting all this stuff together, and you have a completion of this wood that now is not only functional to somebody, it's beautiful. When you see the pride from customers, that's always the great end game. Wrap those up. I think that's a little recipe for woodworking. If I'm putting my name on this piece of furniture, I get an attachment to this thing. I gotta be good.